Okay, one thing I want to mention about the CNAME is like I already had a record created that went to namecheap. Parking, whatever, and I just pasted this here, host 10 at groovepages.com, and this was enough. So when I went back to Groove Pages to my site, then I opened the editor here. It was enough, so we can then publish the site, and then just go here and add publish on, like you can even remove that one, and then publish on your domain, add ads made free, and then click publish. And then you can test this if you open a new incognito video, and then you just go to your domain, adsmadefree.com, and then you see the page is live. My video just got broken, so I already added a second page here, like the thank you page, which we will need next. So for this, just go to Pages, click Add New Page, and then you have the page here. Like if we want to add a new page, we can have different thank you page templates here. You can select this one here, and right now, like if you want to sell something, you can choose this page. Otherwise, I would recommend to keep it simple, so I selected this page here, and that's everything. Like now I have 3 pages here. Let's see. Go to Pages. We can delete this one again, confirm, and then we select the thank you page. If we go to Pages here, we can edit the settings here. The page name is ads made, let's call it ads made free. Thank you. The page URL is probably the same. Like otherwise, it does not really matter. Like people can guess this URL, but thank you. Like it's always important to optimize for your simplicity. So this is something that you can do yourself. Like here, you can also add the page title. Like just thank you, and then add some keywords and things like this, but enter open graph image, things like this that you can do for the main page as well later on, but it's not that important right now. Like this, the open graph image is basically the image that you see that gets displayed if you share a link on Facebook. But we will do that. I will do that later. Right now, it's really about getting things done as fast as possible. So thank you for signing up. Your course, your online course will be delivered via email. So I would recommend this. Your online course will be delivered via email. One step closer. So something like this, and then here, let's see if we have a nice image already. If we don't, it does not really matter. We can have something that I just came up with is if we then go here and open Groove Affiliate, as I said, we can have our promo tool here, promotion and like promos, and then go to your links and then GrooveFunnels update, and then you, for example, you can go to promo tools and then thank you page ads, and then you can just get this one here. It should have embed your affiliate link. So we just copy and paste the code here, go back here, and then we just remove this here, and then we will just add the code. Let's see. Here, funnels, steps, pages, elements. Go back here, select the code embed, paste this here, click the button here, and see if this works, hopefully. So, like this one now is embedded here, and it's good enough. Like if we want to change anything here, but I think if we just publish it, we should be good to go. Have a look at how this looks, and then unadvised free bonus, click here to get free access. Oh no, it does not work like this, so do not even know how. Otherwise, I would recommend, if you want to do something like this, not use this one, because this does not work. So we just go back, and then go back and just replace this image here with an image that I will give you as well. So let's see if I can find one. Groove pages, and let's see, full GrooveFunnels review pop up, like this one. Yeah, like this one. Open it, and then you can just add an image here. So select, update. It's not even the best image here. So like if I add this here, I would probably put a link to the image here as well. Let's see how we can do this. Configure link to, and then we go to a page, link page. Oh, we can just link to pages inside this funnel. So we just link here, and then you can put your GrooveFunnels affiliate link that you can grab here from the link, your main affiliate link here, and then put this one here, click update. And of course I forgot to make this fit everything, so I will just go back. Like this is something that they need to improve. Like this really sucks. So let's see. Mobile first, here it looks great, here it doesn't. So we can change the size here. Max white, let's see. Something like this, or maybe this, so it still looks good here. Okay. Here, just this is basically just some basic layout here. Free bonus, like turning this into some kind of headline. Free bonus, making this black, and then add a link here from the elements section, and add a button here. But this is basically how you learn button with button, solid button here. Oh, let's place a button here, and then you can change the button color and everything. Probably we should have saved a global style from the button. But right now, let's just keep it simple. Page default, the tag. Yeah, let's see. This is completely new for me as well, but this is basically what you will need to figure out yourself as well. So first, let's check the button color. So I will, to be consistent with my branding, I will just add my branding here again. E1F. Okay. And then we should be able to have a different layout. No, like this is a lot of complicated stuff here, which is completely new to me as well. But let's see, size. Here, whites relative to page. No. Yeah, anyway, I will show you a different method how to do this again in the next video. I do not want to keep this video too long.